Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 30th. In my journey to 250k, I'm at 131,660, so up by about 0.7%, which is about 900 bucks. For the week, down by about 9%, which is about 13,000. For the month, down by about 13%, which is about 20,000. 3-month down by about 9%, which is about 13,000. The last year up by about 47%, which is about 42,000. So if you've been in the market for a while, you probably know how last year March felt like. This is not as bad as last year, but if you're able to withstand this, you should be fine. So for the most part, just be rational when reviewing your portfolio. If you want to check the companies that have been highly affected in your portfolio, if you need to average down or just kind of put them like in your list of stocks to consider to sell off when they go positive. It's just up to you, whichever strategy works for you, but I'll say just give it a couple of weeks. I think we should be heading back to normal, because I think this last week and this current week as well, we've had a lot of sell-off with a lot of hedge funds having their margin called, so that has kind of affected a lot of things. So just to be aware, quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only. And today I wanted to touch on a stock that you need to have in your radar for April. We'll be starting a position in this stock, and the stock is Skillz. So ticker symbol SKLZ. So currently at 17.97. So you can see for the days kind of down by 0.08. For the week, down by about 23%. For the month, down by about 46%. 3 months, down by about 9.7%. And for the year, it's up by about 80%. So the fact that it's gone down pretty drastically, I think it's at a really good buying zone for me. I will start building a position. Let's check. The market cap is about 7.44 billion, and you can see it had a high of 46. So I think I have a few funds, and I'll just go ahead and buy, and then we'll talk about the company a little bit. So I think I can buy 25 shares. Let's just get 30 shares. I will just do a limit buy and put 17.80, and then I'll just put extended hours, and then just put it to extended time and review, then submit. So I'll start just building my position kind of slowly by slowly, but let's talk about the company and why I think it's kind of a good buy. I know they have earnings coming, in May, I believe, 4th of May. So you have to be careful if you want to get in. Just avoid getting too close to earnings. Sometimes there'll be a run up if they have good numbers being projected, or if everything doesn't work out, they might tank. So earnings is pretty tricky. You can't really speculate what will happen, so just be aware of that. But this is company I want you guys to kind of have in your radar. So let's talk about Skillz. Skillz Inc. engages in developing mobile gaming platform that connects players in fair, fun, and meaningful competition. It helps developers build multi-million-dollar franchises by enabling social competition in their games. The company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Listed name for Skillz, SKLZ, Skillz Inc. So they have 277 employees. You can see today's volume is pretty decent, 6 million. So one thing to remember is a lot of people feel like the pandemic is over and whatnot. So some of the companies which fare really well will start seeing a reduction in volume, but I don't really agree. Right now we can't really tell if the pandemic will be like over or if there's another wave. So if you still believe in some companies, I'll say you have them in your portfolio, just kind of have them in your radar, just be checking them out, checking if there's some news behind what they do, and if you think the company is still valued reasonably and their books look good, I will suggest you either buy or start kind of building a position slowly. I know in a few months I will look back and look at this as a really good deal, because as you saw, for the month it was down by about 46%. I think that's a really good drop. For me, I had it in my watch list for probably 5 months, and when it just rallied a while back, I just let it go. Just don't chase most of the stocks unless it's like a big deal, which I wouldn't either also risk a lot of money just chasing a stock. But this is the stock I want you guys to have in your radar for April. Let me know what you think about the company. So just subscribe to the channel. We're growing so fast. Give this video a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm, as well as comment down below and let me know if you have any stake in this company. What do you think about this stock? Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.